Hello, everybody, and welcome to this month's Saturday Storytime and Craft. My name is Mr. Kelvin, and welcome back. So, for this month's story, we have a little story called Ploof. That's right, Ploof. The words and pictures are by Ben Clanton and Andy Joe Musser, the creator of Narwhal and Jelly and the co-creator of Science Explorers. Yes, indeed. So, what do we see on the cover here? What do you see on the cover? Kind of looks like a cloud. Yes, I do believe Ploof is a cloud. So let's see about our story of Ploof. Just to let you know, though, this is a very interactive story, so I'm going to need your help, okay? All right. Oh, here we go. This is Ploof. This is Ploof. Ploof is feeling lonely. Can you say hello? On three. Let's say hello to Ploof. 1, 2, 3. Hello, Ploof. Let's see how he reacts. Whoosh, 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 wee. Ploof said hello back. Yay, Ploof is happy to see you. Ploof is happy to see you. That's a pretty nice thing. Oh, there we go. Ploof. He's asking a question. You see that question mark right there? He's asking a question. Would you like to see Ploof do a trick? Well, would you like to see Ploof do a trick? Nod yes if you want to. Yes? All right, here we go. Uh-oh. Ploof is feeling shy now. You can do it, Ploof. We believe in you. Can you give Ploof a big old cheer? You can do it, Ploof. All together. You can do it, Ploof. Let's see. This might help Ploof. Come on, let's cheer Ploof on. Let's clap for Ploof. So on three, go ahead and clap for Ploof. 1, 2, 3, clap for Ploof. Go on, you can do it. That's right. Make sure it's nice and loud so Ploof can hear. Look, I think you might be able to convince Ploof. Whoa! Would you look at that? Way to go, Ploof! What a star! Can you make a star shape too? See if you can make a star shape too. Oh, look at Ploof's next trick. Look at this. What's Ploof pretending to be now? I see. Good one. What do you think it is? What do you think it is? It has floppy ears, has some whiskers, a bushy little tail. I think Ploof may have turned themselves into a bunny rabbit. I think so. Very nice. Let's see what our next. Oh, take a look at this one. Wow, so many shapes. Can you guess them all? Okay, let's go around and see if we can guess them all. What's this one? A flower, you think? Okay, now, what's this one? Ooh, that's right, it's a ducky. What's this one? Oh, the camera and me. Oh, look, a rocket ship. Zoom, 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 right? Look over here. Oh, is that a unicorn? Amazing. What's over here? A moon. Let's see over here. Right here. Oh, there we go. A submarine, maybe? Yes, I think so. So let's try over here on this side. There we go. What do we have here? A jellyfish? That's right. Look at this one. Roar! I think this one's our lion. Then we have a block of cheese. Cheese is pretty delicious. And then we have choo choo, choo choo, a train. That's right. Good job. Ploof is running out of steam. Oh, look, Ploof is just a little bit smaller from all those tricks it was doing. Now, let's help puff Ploof back up. Can you blow softly on Ploof? So on three, let's go ahead and give Ploof some air. 1, 2, 3. I think that might be enough. Whoosh, whoosh. More. Okay. Let's do a little bit more, okay? Take a deep breath in. Ploof wants you to do it again, but an even bigger blow. Okay, can we do this? So on three, take a deep, deep breath and blow very much air, okay? So here we go. Give it a go. On three. One, two, three. Inhale. Look at Ploof. And exhale. Let's see what happens. Whoa! What a wind! Look at Ploof fly! Uh-oh. Wait a minute. I think Ploof is about to run into something. Look out for that tree, Ploof! Can we see if we can warn Ploof? Come on, shout. Look out for that tree, Ploof! Uh-oh. Oh no. Ploof is stuck. Can you help? Maybe try shaking the tree a little? Let's see if we can try getting Ploof out of the tree. Here we go. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, let's see. Oof! Uh-oh. Ploof is free. Are you okay, Ploof? That was a little bit scary, wasn't it? Uh-oh. Ploof looks a little bit grayer. Uh-oh. It's gray clouds. You know what gray clouds mean? Gray clouds mean rain. And for Ploof, that might mean that Ploof is a little sad. Let's cheer Ploof up. How about a funny face? Ploof loves funny faces. All right. Ready, set, go. Make a funny face. Or did that help, Ploof? Do you think your funny face helped? I think it did. Woo, it worked. Thank you. Now, what should we do now, Ploof? Let's see what we should do. Hide and seek. Okay, sounds fun. Let's close our eyes and count to 10 while Ploof hides, okay? Let's close our eyes and count to 10. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's open our eyes. Okay, you're not peeking, are you? Let's count again. Let's see these little numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here we come. All right, let's go see where Ploof's hiding. Can you find Ploof? Can you find Ploof? Where's Ploof? Let's see if you can find Ploof. Let's see. Can you point to him? You see him? Oh, yes, there he is. You're great at spotting. He's right there. The little kite. That's right. One more time. Okay, let's see. Okay, now let's see if you could spot Ploof now. Whoa. Look at this page. It's a farm. There's lots of sheep. There's a tractor, a barn, a llama, a cow, a UFO, but also a pig. But where's Ploof? Can you find Ploof? Wait a minute. I think I see him. Do you see him? Here we go. Let's see. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. I think we have found our little Ploof right here. Very good spotting. I bet you found him faster than I did. Way to go. Looks like Ploof wants to give you a high five. Can you give Ploof a high five? Come on, high five right there. Very nice. Very good. Good job. Kind of hit him in the face there. That was not my intention. Nice one. Thanks for playing with Ploof. But now it's time to wave goodbye. Can we wave goodbye to Ploof? Bye-bye, Ploof. Bye-bye. Very nice. Oh, and before you go, how about a great big hug? Here, can you give Ploof a hug? Here it comes. Boop, boop, boop. Give Ploof a nice big hug. There we go. Whee! Thank you for being such a fantastic friend. See you soon? Look at that little heart. I think you might be seeing Ploof very soon. And that is the end of our story of Ploof. Very good job. Alrighty. So now that we're done with our story, it's time to make our little craft. So make sure you've got a pair of scissors with you. And I think we're ready to go. Okay. See you soon, everybody. Bye-bye. Welcome to our craft portion where we're going to make our very own Ploof. So get your paper. You should also have your black marker. You should also have a pair of scissors on your own and stuff like that. Yes, indeed. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to first start making a cloud. So pick an edge of the paper, kind of on the left side. And what you're going to do is going to make some little bumps. You can use a cloud in your head as a reference, or you can use even the Ploof book that we used before. So you can feel free to pause the video and look back at what it looked like. Yes, indeed, or you can find a picture on your phone. All you're going to do is just make a little cloud, just like so. A little Ploof. This is going to be a very quick craft, but I hope you enjoy it with your product. So after you make your own little cloud, now we've got to make our eyes. Go ahead and make a nice oval, vertical oval on the left side first. Boop. There you go. And then we got to do our other eye. Boop. Very nice. And now we have to do our pupils. So it's going to be a smaller oval in the middle here, just like so. There we go. Very nice. Then you can feel free to color it in, just like so. There you go. Very good. Nice, 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 nice. Good. Now your little Ploof has eyeballs. And then last but not least, we're just going to make a small mouth. You can make him smile. You can make him like shouting or whatever. But yeah, I'm going to make a small smile. And I'm also going to add just a little blush. That's all I'm going to do. You see a little blush, just like so. That's right. Now that you've got your little Ploof, and since it's cardstock, it's very strong paper, so you can feel free to hang it up or tape it somewhere if you'd like. But before we do that, we have to cut it out so you can hold your little Ploof. So go ahead and cut along the lines that you did for your Ploof. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect. Very nice. And if you'd like, I'll make sure to give multiple pieces of papers for this one. So I'll give like 2 papers. And if you want to do another one, or perhaps you maybe like messed up one of them, you can feel free to do the other one if you'd like. This is your option. Yes, indeed. Right now, it's just taking your time and going around just like that. And if you need help from your parent or guardian, you can feel free to ask them for help as well. Or if you want to practice your own fine motor skills, you can feel free to do that too. Yes, indeed. I'm really glad that we were able to read Ploof this time around, because Ploof is, I think it's a very good book because it allows you to interact with like the little character and such. It's just a small cloud. That's all it is. But now we can look at that cloud and be like, you know what? That thing was actually kind of cute. Add a little personality and everything. It reminds me of the book where it's like, oh, there's a dragon in my book and such. But now you're able to have an experience like that with a lot more simple character. So I think that's pretty interesting. Pretty nice. So almost done. And then you can have your own personal little Ploof. That's right. Very good, very good, very good. Yes, indeed. Also, just to let you know, so we are going to be continuing doing our story times that are virtual, like the Saturday Storytime and Craft series, but it might not be Saturday Storytime and Craft. It might be named something different. So just keep an eye out for that in 2026, okay? And I really do hope you all enjoy whatever holiday is coming around the corner for you all. Yes, indeed. And there you go. You got your little Ploof. That's right. So congrats on your new Ploof. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and enjoy your winter time. Bye-bye now.